Hey, what is up, guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today, I've got something different, but it's kind of the same. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Lenovo Thinkplus LP40 that I picked up from Temu. Normally, Lenovo is a brand that you see at major retail stores like Best Buy, so I was pretty surprised that Temu sold Lenovo. Having a Lenovo laptop since 2015, and it still works great till this day, I had to pick these up and give them a try. Alright, so in this video, we're going to unbox these, we're going to check out the features and specs, we're going to check out the build quality, and more importantly, we're going to see how they fit and sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. So they come in this black box. We've got a picture of the earbuds front and center. We've got Thinkplus Thinkplus LP40 up top. Then on the side here, we've got some Lenovo branding and more Thinkplus branding on the side. And on the back here, we've got some more Lenovo branding. All right, so let's open this up and see what we get inside. All right, so we've got QC passed. Good to know. And we've got some documentation. Looks like a user manual. And then we've got your charging cable. Again, USB-A to USB-C. And we got your earbuds. These are the earbuds. It is a shiny black finish. Kind of a fingerprint magnet, but not too bad. It's very lightweight. Feels kind of hollow. Bottom here, you've got your USB-C ports for charging, and then you've got a button here. Probably, I think you can connect to multiple devices, so that's probably your button to switch. Ooh, I just pressed it and it lit up. I like that it has some Lenovo branding right there. I don't know if you can see that. Lenovo. All right, again, it's very nice and compact, super lightweight. Again, it's a shiny black finish. That is the earbuds inside. Lid has a nice snap to it when closing. And while we have it like this, let's see how well the case holds the earbuds in place if you shake them. Oh dang. Oh dang. I like that. They hold the case holds the earbuds nice and secure. As you saw, they did not pop out. Let's see if they're magnetized. Yeah, there's some magnetization in there. Got some. They're magnetized. Very cool. And here are the earbuds. They look like these are like the Airpods, where you can they're squeezed instead of touch. You've got like a flat part there on the stem. Assuming that's where you would press. And both sides have that. There is no left or right branding on these. They're pretty generic. They are made with the same materials as the case. Got a shiny black finish. Then at the bottom here, you've got your charging pins. All right, let's put these in and see how they feel. So there's no ear tips in these, so they're just like the AirPods. You got to be lucky, and hopefully they fit your ears. And they don't fit me too bad. They don't feel as secure as ones with ear tips, the rubber ear tips or silicone ear tips, but they're not bad. Again, they're very lightweight. I'll wear them for a while and see if I get any kind of ear fatigue, but so far they feel all right. Let's see if we can connect this to my phone real quick. Let's see. All right, so it says we can take them out and they'll go into pairing mode. Oh, I guess you got to put one in. They come up as headset. Hit pair, and then you connect, and there's a chime that that sounds when it's connected. Comes up as a Thinkplus LP40. And we are connected. Let's see how these sound. Okay. Okay. Yo, they're not bad. They aren't bad. I mean, it could use some more bass, but they're not bad. Again, these were like $8 and they get loud. They get really loud. I mean, the sound's not the clearest, not gonna lie, but I mean, for $8, these aren't bad. They sound decent enough. And they're buds that if something happens to them, you're not gonna care. You can replace them super easy. But if you're out and about and you don't want to bring your more expensive buds with you, these aren't bad to have. I think they're decent. Let me go over some of the specs real quick. All right, so some of the specs on these bad boys. They are Bluetooth 5.0. They got a working range of 10 meters. I think that's around 30 feet. They got 13mm drivers. And what else we got here? So these have 4 hours of playing time. And the batteries on each earbud is 35 milliamps. And the case has 230 milliamps. So it looks like you should be able to charge them a few times, 3 to 4 times, and get you, 20 plus hours of playtime. So not bad. Not bad. Certainly very good for the price. Again, less than $10. So some final thoughts. Again, you can't go wrong with these, I don't think. I mean, they're less than $10. They're about $8. They sound decent. They get really loud. And the case holds the buds in there nice and secure, as you can see. Boom, 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 boom. They're still good. Got that nice snap in the lid. Yeah, overall, I think it's a decent pickup. If you guys are needing a spare, definitely check these out. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.